In the 1970s, due to some policy issues, South Africa was subjected to international arms trade sanctions and had to increase its domestic weapons production. At that time, the South African military was mainly equipped with the FN-MAG machine gun. Victor Company began developing a new gun to replace it in 1977, and the new equipment that entered service in 1986 was the Victor SS-77 general-purpose machine gun, later produced by the Daniel Company. The SS-77 is a gas-operated, air-cooled general-purpose machine gun. It is designed to fire 7.62 by 51 mm NATO ammunition, with belt feed, usually using the M13 disintegrating link belt, and can also use the non-disintegrating DM1 belt. The gas tube is located below the barrel, with a short-stroke gas piston that can be adjusted for gas volume, allowing the machine gun to theoretically adjust its rate of fire between 600 to 900 rounds per minute. The muzzle velocity is 840 meters per second, and the gun has only one firing mode, which is fully automatic. Like other general-purpose machine guns, it has the capability for quick barrel change, although the machine gun grip is not fixed on the barrel, but on the barrel shroud. The barrel weighs 2.5 kilograms, and is 550 millimeters long, excluding the flash suppressor, with some barrels having longitudinal heat dissipation slots. It is said that the barrel can withstand 600 rounds of continuous fire during one change, but this claim seems dubious. The overall length of the gun is 1,155 millimeters and it weighs approximately 9.6 kilograms when empty. The machine gun has only mechanical sights, with tritium lamps for easy night operations. If used as a light machine gun at the squad level, a lightweight bipod can be mounted on the machine gun gas tube, using a 100-round plastic ammunition box to reduce weight, and the rifle-style stock can be folded. When used as a heavy machine gun, it needs to be mounted on a special tripod, using a 200-round metal ammunition box, and the pistol grip is usually replaced with a shovel-shaped handle for better operation. Overall, the SS-77 machine gun is a good light weapon, participating in some of South Africa's border military actions without any problems. South Africa actively promoted it internationally and received orders from several countries including Colombia and Malaysia. As the trend toward small-caliber light weapons emerged, South Africa also improved the SS-77 machine gun in the 1990s, developing a modification kit that allows it to use 5.56 by 45 mm ammunition. The modified machine gun, known as the Mini SS-77, is 1,000 kilograms lighter. However, due to the lower power and range of the 5.56 mm ammunition, the Mini SS-77 can only be used as a light machine gun. The SS-77 machine gun has also undergone modernization improvements, such as the installation of a collapsible stock and the addition of Picatinny rails, improving human-machine efficiency, but without changing the basic performance of the machine gun.